opportunity in the market. I think that is one of the first takeaways for me. I realized I think India, with such huge population and such diverse opportunities in terms of manufacturing and services, I can see that I can start another business. Let me get back to you. And another important takeaway is like more than 70% of the people are into trading business, and exports happen in trading segment, and even sitting out of home without having a product in hand, I can start, or even a housewife with basic knowledge of internet can start a business and become a global entrepreneur. Is that true, sir? I'm planning my one-to-one with you, maybe in the second half for sure, and let's see how we can do and also help other entrepreneurs. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate for your valuable inputs. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, I think it's always short of time to know the kind of knowledge what you have and what you intend to share. I really appreciate once again. Thank you so much, friends, for patient hearing, and I'm sure you had your share of takeaways, and let's see that as an entrepreneur, rather than only focusing on INR income, I think we can start focusing on pounds or USDs or dirhams. Let's see, I think let's tapping the global opportunities and take it forward. With this, we are concluding the session. We request everybody, you can go back to your respective tables and start your networking marathon of meeting people. Before that, I would like to just sign off with again sharing this information about this coupon. I hope everybody are clear. This set of coupons have been given in delegate kits. People who have not received, we have couple of copies, blank copies available at the reception or the registration desk. Kindly collect. The purpose is very simple. You need to just identify each coupon as one vote. We have a ballot box available here. If you find somebody or his business or a member very interesting from a professional front that they have done value to you, be in the form of connection, be it in the form of maybe an opportunity or a business prospect, whatsoever it is, please vote for them. Whoever receives maximum set of votes in the night for the day, they would be adjudged as a networking marathoner for today. The same activity is getting repeated. So I mean to say this set of coupons is valid for 2 days. So please use it wisely. We have almost 140 people and you have only 30 votes to judge. Let's not be selfish that I keep writing my own name on all 30 coupons and put it here. That's way I think where our criminal minds also have thoughts. Hence we have put your names. So I cannot nominate Avinash nominating Avinash. Okay. Of course, there is a small loophole that people who are taking blank copies, maybe they may have that chance, but let's be honest, we are all here to look at something beyond something, look at better. So request you to please vote somebody who's really doing phenomenal job in the industry and also who is impressing you with his connections or his opportunities. So let's vote for each other, and I would be more than happy to identify who are the best networking marathoners for day 1 and day 2, and also best networking marathoner for both the days. Wishing you all the best and happy networking once again. Thank you so much.